Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Um, Hope everyone's having a good morning so far. This is Friday, guys. We are going to trade um, NFP, okay, live. And if you don't understand what that is, guys, we're going to go over it right now. Non-farm employment change, okay? So this is huge red folder new, guys. Just give me 1 second here, okay? I'm going to share our links with my membership group. Give me 1 second here, and I'm going to share it to the Free FX group, guys. As you can tell, gold is breaking out. We are getting a nice push to the upside here, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, just sending this to the group. Alrighty. Okay, guys, let's get down to business here. So what we're going to be doing, guys, we're going to be trading, like I said, gold US30 and NAS100. We're going to be trading through NFP news, which happens at 8:30. Okay. So already you can notice that we've had a nice little push. There's an inverse head and shoulder on the 5 minute time frame that formed that actually had um, actually pushed this push gold bullish. Okay, made a bottom here at the low at 1794.85. A lot of bullish power coming in, the bullish engulfing candlestick, then pushed all the way up. We have, like I said, the inverse head and shoulder here. Okay, so this is a nice chart pattern when you can start to really kind of see how these form. And then we have the top right here. Okay, guys, so basically that's your inverse head and shoulder for the actual bullish breakout, and it touched the actual 200 MA. Okay, so if we were trading this, guys, we would have looked for something like that maybe would have got us, depending on the entry, to there, maybe 25, 30 pips on the actual gold breakout. Okay, so that would be roughly $3 move. Henning, what's going on, my man? Nabil, how's it going, buddy? Gold might be set up for a buy. We this was obviously before, okay, before I started the call, but you know what I mean. We'll look for more of a better entry. Come closer to news. It's 8:15, guys. So at 8:20, at 8:30, we'll probably look for another potential entry. Okay. So if you notice here, guys, I have a potential sell opportunity here, just a quick retracement. But if it's very bullish, it's starting to make higher highs and higher lows. So we can look for maybe a confirmation, something down around here to potentially have the nice continuation. Okay, if that's not the case, guys, it's going to get held up here and then it might sink back down. Okay, so it's all going to be depending on this news. Okay, so I'm going to draw this on here just so you guys understand. Use smaller lot sizes during news. Okay, keep that in mind. That's very important, guys. Do not over leverage. Okay, do not over leverage. All right, that's something you don't want to do. And um, erratic behavior at market open. Okay, so make sure you guys understand this. All right, like a lot of erratic behavior can happen. A lot of volatility will happen on gold. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Don't over leverage. You know what I mean? Make sure you're understanding. Use smaller lots. I'm not going to write that on every pair. You guys should understand. Okay, so basically, guys, what we're doing is we're waiting now. Okay, so we had this move right here. All right, nice little bullish break to the upside. All right, it was a nice move for real. Okay, so we missed that move. We just have to move past it. Okay, you can't be chasing now. Okay, we got to realize there's news coming. And as you can tell, this is why. You're not chasing a buy or a sell. There's going to be a lot of erratic behavior here, guys. Okay, so what we're looking to do is it's obviously going to hover around the 200. All right, so I'm going to move this a little bit over here. We know that we scalped those pips, and now we're going to look for potential buy and sell opportunities here. Okay, so guys, just keep in mind, we don't control the markets. The markets do its own thing. We do know that it's making higher highs and higher lows at the current moment. Okay, but I'm telling you, like, from trading myself, and just a lot of other traders will agree with me, Market open, guys, is going to be very volatile for indices. Okay, but same with gold. Okay, like gold is going to be very volatile during the NFP. All right, so make sure you're using small lot sizes. You know what I mean? Because these candles could pop off for 20, 30 pips. Okay, we had a 60 pip candle go 2 days ago alone, and it shot it in the bullish trend. Okay, so just keep that in mind, guys. All right, what I'm drawing here are potential buy and sell entries. Okay, on the 5-minute time frame. So that's all I'm drawing right now. I just need you to see. We already looked at getting in a scalp right there. That was beforehand, okay? I do have my NASDAQ, okay? And I do have my US30 already charted, guys. All right, so keep that in mind. This is gold on the 5-minute time frame, okay? Okay, there's NASDAQ right there. It's already charted too, guys. Ready to rock. I have a little bit of higher stop loss on NASDAQ simply because it's at the 200. I want to see what will happen here, okay? And if it breaks down there, guys, it's going to fall. If it breaks above here, it's going to shoot right through the 200 and continue, okay? So just keep that in mind. That would be your entry. Going to put roughly the trap and gap stop loss right there, okay? Now, guys, remember, the entry point for this one is definitely going to look around 15,135, and then for the break at the 200, okay? So just keep this in mind, guys. It does have the ability to drop further and pop a little higher, okay? So this is where I would do it for now, okay? And then we'll adjust accordingly. We're not going to have any control over these erratic moves. So the first candle, we're just going to wait for it, okay? We're going to wait, all right? And then obviously I have my US30, guys. Okay, US30 is our baby. This is one of the funnest things I like to trade. Okay, but as you can tell, guys, we're at some high points here. They can push a lot higher for sure. That's why you don't rely strictly on indicators. You rely on price action for, you know, entries, movements, this and that. But like I said, guys, it's been pumping lately, so we might be in terms of a sell-off, or if they're going to continue the pump, we'll be ready for it. Okay, most likely. I'm going to chart, like, watch gold on the red folder NFP news, okay? But we'll ask the group in about 5 minutes what they want to do. We don't really call them signals per se. That's something that I find is just it's kind of overplayed. We're looking, if we're going to do anything, it's called trade ideas. And for now, guys, I already sent a message in my group. For this morning, I'm not sending any, and Ron's not sending any, okay? Simply because we're focusing on NFP. But we do send them, okay? We do send roughly 3 to 4 per day, depending on it. And they're usually scalping style trading, unless we see a long-term setup, which will, you know, let you know at that time, okay? But yeah, we do send them. And you can ask the guy, if we have any of the guys in the chat box here, you can, you know, you can speak up, and I can even send you, if you guys haven't joined the free Telegram group, okay, there's a link at the top of this channel. It's pinned, all right? So if you want an example of, say, a trade idea that we sent, okay, yep, give me 1 second here. Okay, I'll send this to you guys. I'm going to forward this. So if you're in the Stock Sniper Trading VIP group, okay, this is a trade idea. Okay, so I just sent it there, so you guys can check it out. This was yesterday when we had the double bottom. So guys, look at gold. It's starting to push up, okay? It's still early, so I would just wait for the news, okay? And guys, why all this started, why this bullish trend started was that, like I said, the inverse head and shoulder pattern, okay? We have one shoulder here, a head here, and then another shoulder here, okay? You could have counted that one, but this one found good support, and that was the actual break level. They retested it, and they pushed it up forward for a continuation, okay? So that is why we got this bullish movement. Now you can see, guys, we're looking at it's selling, okay? But right now, guys, I'm not, like, for real. We need to be patient here. Like, we cannot just enter in any kind of trade right now, okay? There's news dropping. You know what I mean? It's something that we just need to be patient with. Okay, we need to watch it. We need to understand that this has high impact, guys. This is extremely high impact. So, guys, I need my likes up to 20. If you guys can, there's only 12 right now. If you can hit that like button, okay, and then let me know what you want me to stream through NFP, guys. I need to know the first 10 people to let me know, or the first, we'll do the first 7 people to let me know if they want to trade gold, US30, or NASDAQ. I need you to put it in the chat, but it doesn't start until I get 20 likes, guys. I need 20 likes, okay? And that just gets the channel going, you know what I mean? Trust me, it just creates some more interactive behavior and stuff like that. So I see the comments dropping. There's 18 likes. Let's see if we can get 20, okay? We got 20 likes. Okay, that's fast. Okay, so I'm looking this right now. I need 7. Okay, so I have 1 gold, 2 gold, 3 gold, 4 gold, 1 US30, 2 US30 in NASDAQ, gold, 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 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, we're trading gold for the first one. Okay, there's a lot of gold traders here, obviously. So, for that being said, guys, we're going to trade gold through the NFP. All right, so guys, I need you to understand something, okay? Like, for real. This is real talk, you know what I mean? You're not you'll probably get a lot of other real trader channels out there, but this session is extremely volatile, okay? I'm being honest with you. Extremely volatile. Sometimes these candles may run, okay? If we miss a move here, guys, I would rather miss a move than blow an account. So you need to understand that, okay? Please, please, please do not over leverage, okay? Unless you believe in yourself and you understand it and you miss it and you take a trade, you just understand, guys, that NFP is extremely volatile, okay? I just had to make that apparent for you. And then that's it, okay? So let's get down to some business here. You can see that gold sold off, guys. I had that position set up here. Told you at the 200K it entered in a position. I didn't say for anyone to kind of take that idea, you know what I mean? If you watched it, good for you. I applaud you, but I did have the rejection up here at the 200 and signifying a sell-off here. So guys, if you caught that, you know what I mean, even at the entry, confirmed entry, that's still maybe 13, 14 pips, okay? And it's starting to run now. It can obviously get back down to here, but again, guys, like, the next candle that's opening is going to be the 1825 candle, okay? So there can be a lot of push, a lot of pull, you know what I mean? Just fighting for that last minute momentum before that 830 candle, okay? Oh, sweet. Krishina, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that, man. Says you are too good, bro. But like I said, guys, the reason why me and Ron are like you quote us good is because we just put the time in the charts, guys. For real, we've doing this a long time now, and like I said, we just practice, practice, practice. Okay, and now we want to share this with you guys. So hopefully you enjoy it, and I think you are. There's a lot of likes, a lot of love. The channel's growing fast, guys. We've added 100 subscribers in less than 3 days. So shout out to all the subscribers, guys. It's huge. We really appreciate it. Okay, so. Okay, so with that being said, look at this huge sell-off we have coming on now. All right, huge sell-off here. Okay, finding some support, guys. This is that area. Okay, I just want you to keep this in mind. This is that area that had the head and shoulder. Okay, right there. So I'm saying, so if this breaks here, guys, you know, it's going to be either a push or a pull. All right. They might hold it here. See what I'm saying, guys? And they're at 1897. They might push it back down to, you know what I mean, hover around the 1800 mark. So, guys, if you got in that sell, maybe look to take your profit, okay? You know what I mean? They might push it back up here, okay? Depending on how much volume they get in. And the only reason I'm saying that is because of this previous buying volume that was here. So you just gotta look to the left. You gotta understand that there's a lot of sorry guys, give me 1 second here. I just trying to make this a little more apparent for you guys so you can see. Okay, there. Okay, so you see how it's finding the support at 1797.25, guys. It is this previous inverse head and shoulder neckline break. Okay, so with that being said, guys, this is the 826 candle. I'm going to quickly check out the indices for a second here. Okay, we have them charted, guys. Okay, we're focusing on gold, okay, but I want you to keep in mind these are going to take off too. 15,133. could be a buy entry. Okay, 15,124 could be a sell, the stop loss or the sell entry. Okay, guys, keep this in mind. Like, make sure you're not over leveraging with this one either. This one is like, the indices are detrimental, guys, because these things can run a large amount. Okay, so make sure you're understanding just to use a smaller lot size on these two. Okay, and then we have US30, guys, falling into our profit here. Okay, so that was perfect setup, guys. As you can tell, it's starting to fall now, but like I said, the NFP news will have impact on the US30. Okay, but it's like, how much will it have? All right, so if this breaks here, guys, it can come down. We're going to get some testing and held up probably at the 200 moving average right here. So I always like to just do this just to see what direction it's going. Okay, but that's US30, guys, on the 5-minute time frame. It is in some profits. If you did take that, guys, at the 35,080 mark, you're roughly up, you know what I mean, 12 pips. Okay, depending on your spread too, you might have got filled a little bit behind, right? So that's why you don't want to chase. If it starts to break here, guys, wait for the retest. Okay, wait for the confirmation retest for continuation. If it doesn't, if it holds here, guys, you know what I mean, wait for it to move on an upward trending angle. All right, so but this is might be a key area for US30, guys. Just keep that in mind. Okay, potentially for the next candle breakout. So let's wait and see, guys, and let's head back to gold. Let's head back to XAU USD, and look at this, guys. Do you see what I'm saying? I did say it before before I switched that it was going to touch the 200 moving average, so that's why I did mention to you to look to take your profit. This is now they're priming this up for the news, guys. They pushed it right back above 1800 mark, psychological 1800. Okay, you need to understand that, guys. This is going to probably be a very big push or pull. So if you guys want to wait for the first candle to open and then close, that could be a good good thing for you to do. But we're looking for like our confirmations if it's going to hold down here. Okay, you want to have a retest somewhere in this area and then a continuation here. Okay, and then the same thing if it's going to happen up here, right? We want to break above the 200. Okay, maybe test the 1803 mark, come down and retest. Okay, and then come back here, retest here, push through. Okay, so come here with a push through and then a continuation. Okay, guys, so that's what we're looking for the buy. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to happen exactly like that, but that's something that it could happen. So let's just wait and see here, guys. We have 66 viewers, guys. This is incredible for the NFP. Guys, like I said, we don't control the markets, so this is going to just happen as is, okay? But that's kind of what we're looking for here in terms of the break, retest, and different continuations like this, all right? The next candle is 8:30, okay? And it's going to open up in less than 30 seconds, so watch for the volatility. I'm just going to erase these things for now. Guys, please read this. Use smaller lot sizes during news. Do not over leverage. There's erratic behavior, okay? So just make sure you're understanding to use proper lot sizes, guys. And just wait maybe on the first candle, okay? Wait maybe for the first candle to open. You know what I mean? It's going to shoot up. It might shoot back down. We're going to find out right now, guys. Boom. Look at NFP, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Market open, guys. Rejected. Look at that candle, guys. Guys, that thing ran 100 pips. That's a 100 pip drop. That's why I told you to be careful, guys. That happened in seconds. Okay, I didn't even have a total take profit for that. Look at that thing, guys. Look at that thing drop. Okay, I don't have anything below there. I got to go on higher time frame to find it. Okay. Gold really dropped there, guys. Did not expect it to get there. Okay, and it's continuing to fall, guys. This is crazy. I'm still here. Okay, that's on the hourly. This is still pushing down. Guys, look at this on the 5-minute, okay? This is bananas, guys. Look at that candle. I told you, didn't even hit our stop loss. This thing just dropped. Look at this, guys. Look at this. NFP for you guys. Erratic behavior. This is what I'm telling you about. Insane, guys. Look at this. We had the big bearish trend overall recently, lately. Had the nice inverse head and shoulder. Rejected at the 200, right? Look at this, guys. Wow. Look at this, guys. That's 100 pips. That was a 100 pip candle here. 100, 110. Okay, let's check out what happened with US30. Look at US30, guys. Look at this. Crazy. Told you they sold it off and they pushed it right back up, guys. Look at that. I didn't even have that set. Okay, do you see how volatile? Do you see how volatile NFP is, guys? Do you see how volatile NFP is? It's insane. Look at NASDAQ, guys. Look at that. That hit our profit, actually. That was falling in. Look at that big wick, guys, and they pushed it right back up. They might be forming into a buy, guys. Like, we'll wait and see on NASDAQ, but that could push up there. If not, it's going to hold below, and it's going to sink. Okay? Look at gold, though, guys. This thing is just falling. No one had time to react to that, guys. Like, that's what I'm saying. This is very volatile time. Extremely volatile, guys. Like, this is just disgusting. Okay, that's why I said maybe wait for the first candle. I said that right at the open, guys. Right at the open. Guys, 31 likes, 68 viewers, guys. Try to get me to 40, 50 likes. We just hit 110 pips in less than a millisecond. Okay, but don't worry, guys. We still got market open to come, right? News is still it's still taking into play. It's still taking everything into account, okay? Let's check out US30 here, guys. Look at US30, guys. Flip script. I told you, right at that area right there. Remember? I told you. 35,062. That was a potential reversal area. I had that drawn. And look, it found some support there. Boom. Head fake. Shot right back up, guys. That thing hit 35,158. Guys, that is an entry. Like, there's no one that really caught that. But if you took that, guys, that's 59. That's 59 pips. Like, that's a big. That's a very big candle. And like I said, that 35,062 mark was key. Okay, they pushed it down a little bit, found some support roughly around 35,044, and then pushed it right back up, guys. Okay, so now what we're waiting to do, we're just going to let this cool off for a second. We're going to let this cool off, okay? Let's see if gold is going to continue. I just got to share this with the group, guys. This is why, guys, you use small lot sizes. And I hope you guys, for everyone who's not sure what NFP is or how this works, you know what I mean? It's definitely something that now maybe you can see how volatile this actually is. Okay? It's absolutely insane. Okay. $60 pips in 30 seconds, guys. Yep. But remember, guys, like if you did this on your own, like, you know what I mean? You got to understand, like, you might have got head faked out, selling into pressure. You can't react to it. That's why I said just wait. Wait for these trades to come to you. Wait for the first one to kind of hit, and then we'll look for them after, okay? Because look, guys, that went from a quick sell to a buy here, okay? So we'll wait and see what's going to happen on US30. Look at NASDAQ, guys. Look at NASDAQ. Look at our sell. Look at this. Continued. It actually tapped there, guys. That was our sell. And that was the perfect entry, guys. 15,124. So you can go back on the actual on the video and see that we had this already set. Okay. Now maybe looking to push back up, guys. But I'm still not looking for anything yet. If we're looking for any kind of buy, like, it's not gonna come until I would look for more of a confirmation up here, maybe in the middle, but I'm not looking for anything right now, guys. You can see that there's a lot of selling pressure here. I might have to go back even further and gain some more information on NASDAQ, okay? Like at least to there. Okay, so if NASDAQ continues to break, guys, it can maybe get down there, all right? If not, maybe look for a potential buy opportunity roughly right around here, guys. Tights, yeah. This is a risky trade, okay, guys, because like I'm not looking at, we missed the potential break right there. This is more of a confirmed, okay? But I would use a tight stop loss, guys. So what I'm looking for, if this anything comes down here, you know what I mean, pushes up, starts to come into here, maybe get rejected, and then walk its way up here, okay? So that's maybe potentially what could happen, but we want to wait for confirmation, which means push up here, hold, and then continue, okay? That's what we're looking for more of a NASDAQ play, okay? So boom, boom. I'm not saying it's going to happen like that. Sometimes it might just shoot right up, you know, up to this level here, okay? And then hold, and then maybe shoot up to the next one, okay? But the break in the retest is more of a confirmation way to looking at how to trade, all right? So let's see what's going to happen, if that's actually going to, that trade's going to fruition. If not, guys, it's just going to sell off, and then it's going to continue, probably break 15,084 and then continue bearish, guys, okay? Okay, guys, 34 likes. Try to get me up to 40 at least. You know what I mean? Let's see what's going to happen there. Okay, look at gold now. Perfect, finding some similar support. If gold doesn't actually trend, gold is being a bitch right now. Gold trends, guys, okay? So just keep that in mind. But again, if we're looking for anything, guys, that just ruined my chart. I don't like zooming in this much at all. But we'll wait and see here. Maybe roughly a little around there. I'm not looking for any kind of a high stop loss, guys, so I'll leave it there for now. We'll wait and see if it's going to hold, maybe push back up, okay? Let's wait and see. And what I'm looking for here, guys, there's not much in terms of support there, okay? You can see it's just a wick and a body's pushed through there, but it's starting to make its way up. I put the entry point at a little higher position, you'll notice, than the previous wick, because if that's what we're looking for, it's got to start breaking this wick and making higher highs, okay? So like it's got to come here and break above this wick, see what I mean? Maybe fall back in there and then continue, okay? That's if it's in a buy. If it doesn't get up there, guys, this is still selling, okay? Like that's the sad reality of it, that it's, well, not sad, because if you got it, you know what I mean, if you got this trade, that's bank. But that's how pretty much gold is working for you, okay? We're waiting for the next move simply because we're in like an indecision area because we made such a big move prior, okay? Okay, guys, let's see how many likes we've got. 35, guys. Try to get me to 40, you know what I mean? We do this live every single day. We did a London session, we did a Tokyo session. So if you're new to the channel, guys, just like and subscribe. You know what I mean? You'll get tons of great quality YouTube days. YouTube streams daily, and it's pretty much, you know what I mean, you can see what we do, guys. There's not many people who trade live NFP, you know what I mean? It takes a lot of effort, and you know what I mean, a lot of technical analysis for, guys. I was charting like probably for about, you know what I mean, 30 minutes to an hour before, getting everything set up, looking for the proper scalps and entries and stuff like that. Like we were in a buy beforehand, guys, in the inverse head and shoulder, and then we saw, I said it would at the 200 get rejected, right? So you got to kind of put your time into looking for, you know, proper entries and stuff like that, especially when you're trading these news events, okay? So let's see, guys. Patrick, thanks, buddy, for subscribing. Definitely appreciate that. BB King, my man. Sebastian, thank you so much, dude. Appreciate the love, guy. Look at this, guys. Gold is still selling off. Look at this, guys. We can get down probably to 1784 area. You know what I mean? Guys, this is a from entry, if you caught it, guys, till there. Guys, that's and falling 125 pips on gold in less than 5, 10, 15 minutes. Okay? Huge, guys. Huge moves. Huge moves, guys. Look at that. We just hit our take profit, guys. Absolutely perfect. Now it is, yeah, it's too late to sell, but look, guys, this thing is just falling. I don't have any support under here. You're going to have to give me a second, okay? Aaron just made 2K on NFP. Aaron's one of our VIP members, guys. Huge shout out to Aaron. This guy's been with us since day one. Day one, guys, when we started. Okay, we weren't doing any of this kind of stuff. But now we are. And now look at him. He's making 2K a day. Huge shout out to this guy. He's from my hometown. I think trading's really changed this guy's life, man. Trust me when I say that. So huge shout out to you, bro. Super proud. Okay? Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this sell. Guys, this sell is 160 pips. 160 pips, guys. $45 likes, guys. Bless you. Bless you, for real. Honestly. And everyone who's joined lately, bless you too, guys. Like, you see what we're doing, guys. We're trying to start a movement here. We have someone trying to talk to us about teaching young, less fortunate kids in different countries, guys. Like, we're here to change lives. Okay? Look at this, guys. I told you if it broke there, it's going to break there. I didn't enter in any kind of chart. I just told you if it's going to break there, it's going to come back down and touch 1781. Why do I have this charted? Okay, look at this. Let's go back on the hourly. Okay, look at that. Look at that hourly candle, guys. Look at that hourly candle. It's breaking more too. Okay, where's it going to go? Probably, guys, I don't, this is insanity. There, and then probably roughly touching around that 200 mark. Okay. Guys, if it's going to continue to sell, like we have some higher, this is higher time frame support, guys, 1776. Okay. This buy trade is completely gone. Completely gone for now. Okay. Sorry about all the mess on the chart, guys, but that's how you, when you get down and dirty and you're scalping, guys, this is how you chart. Look, you should see Ron's charts, you know what I mean? The vampire. Look at that, guys. If it breaks here, it's coming down here, like I'm saying. And if it breaks this area, guys, it's starting to fall down to here. I'm telling you, if it breaks here and holds, okay, you're coming down to here at least, guys. Okay? Let's wait and see. Didn't break, guys. That's 190 pips, guys. That's 200 pips. Guys, 200 pips. Okay, it's not breaking there just yet. I'm going to leave that arrow there for now. We got a little, yeah, we got a little bit of a wick push through it. Okay, this is where we teach our, you know what I mean, our mentorship, guys. When we have breaks, look for continuations, guys. Let's see if this wick broke that area, 1779. If it's going to continue, it's got to hold below. Okay, so what that means is roughly, if it gets down here, guys, and it holds, you might look for your retest here and then a continuation. If not, this thing could just break and then fall some more. Or what's going to happen is, guys, like for real, what's going to happen is they might push it down here, push it back up here, hold it here for now, hold it, okay, and then they might push it back up. Okay, so there's a lot of opportunity for a lot of things to happen here, okay? So we just need to wait and see. Guys, we still got market open. You guys want to see some stuff? Market open, guys. This was just this was the warm up. I want to get a hunt. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go, guys. Let's go. Guys, I'm going to give you some personal experience here, okay? The reason why I say this on this day, okay, is because I when I first started trading, I blew an account completely on NFP. Like, just boom. For real, guys. I over leveraged. I hit a standard sell into a, it was like an 80 pip candle. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't chart properly, guys. This is when I was beginning. But man, let me tell you, when that number went from like I usually traded with like 2.53K and then I would withdraw, you know what I mean, every week, right? When that thing just vanished, I was like, oh my God, like what the heck? In like a matter of, you saw it, 5, 10, maybe 10 minutes, it was gone, right? So guys, This is coming from personal love and personal experience here. That's why I put this on here. Use smaller lot sizes, guys. Don't over leverage. Erratic behavior at market open, that's to come. But I'm not telling you this just to tell you. I'm telling you from my personal experience. Okay? I am telling you that I've done it myself. That's why I said maybe wait on the first candle. Wait for the next one to open. Wait for the continuation. You know what I mean? Even if you just waited, guys, that's clear indication that first candle. Look at NFP, guys. It's either a couple bar plays or it's a dump with a pump. Okay, this is obviously held. There's a lot of selling volume here. If you caught it right there, you know what I mean, at that like pin bar candle. Look at that, guys. That candle alone's 100 pips right there. You could have been done trading for the whole week. Some guys just want like 10, 20 pips. You know what I mean? That's a 100 pip candle, guys. Look at here from market open. Guys, all the way down. Do you guys understand that we've hit 222 pips? I haven't told you guys this yet, but it's 222 pips, right? So that's crazy, and also can be crazy if you traded against the trend thinking that, you know what I mean, you're thinking that you're just counter trading, you know what I mean? And that's why I try to say, like, wait for the first candles to open, get the trend, you know what I mean, we'll follow suit. It eliminates a lot of mistakes, okay? So you can see, guys, that what's forming now, there's still a lot of push up down here, okay? I'm not saying it's going to completely reverse, but we know that this area right here, you can tell by the wick up that there's a lot of potential buyers coming into the market, you know what I mean? So we're going to just wait and see what happens here, okay? Look at NASDAQ, guys. Still continuing. It's sold off, okay? So this trade might be, I like this personal buy up here myself. Whether it'll stay here or whether this is going to sell off, I actually have no idea. We've been focusing a lot on gold. I'll have to rechart all this simply from market open anyway, so it doesn't really matter, which we'll do. But guys, look at NASDAQ. It's continuing to sell off. You know what I mean? If it breaks this area, guys, like, it has a lot of opportunity to fall even further. And we've been saying for a long time that August is potentially sell-off month. So guys, if that's the case, this could fall some more. Okay, let's just wait and see. You know what I mean? You never want to impulse jump or sell. You want to wait for more confirmations here. Okay, so wait until this gets down here before making its next move. But maybe we'll look for a different buy, maybe down here. We'll just wait and see how these play out. Okay. Look at US30, guys. Okay, so it's now pumped up. Okay, it's kind of forming some selling pressure coming in now. Okay, that was that trade right there, and it pushed right back up. Okay, that would have been there. I'm just doing this, guys, for charting purposes. We know where we took to buy, where we took to sell. I'm not trying to say I did something I didn't. I'm not about that life, okay? I'm just trying to clean this up for you guys, okay? So if it's going to continue, guys, it's got to hold this support here and then walk its way up, all right? So it's got to hold here, okay? And then to walk its way up here. If it doesn't, guys, it's just going to fall back down, okay? I'm not going to look for any kind of trades right now just because of the time. We're going to lead into market open soon, so I'm just kind of seeing what's going on with these indices right now, guys. But you can tell, look at gold, guys, exactly what I did say happened, okay? If it broke here, guys, it's going to come down to here. If you took that sell, guys, right there to there, that's 35 pips, 40 pips, and it's continuing to drop, okay? So this is a monster trade, guys. I have to find some more support. I didn't really, guys, look at that hourly candle. Do you understand? Look at that thing. That thing is just ugh. Okay, we might actually come down to here. That looks like a potential good area. Take profit. Okay, if we hold here, guys, you know what I mean? We're working our way up. If it's going to be selling off, this might look like a good area right down here. Okay, I got to go back for some more. That didn't even really do anything. Okay, guys, we're finding some support now. Okay, guys, if I like, look at that drop, guys. Let me zoom in for you. Look at that drop. Can't make that up, guys. That was done live. Look at that. Just take that in, guys. Take that NFP news in. That's 223 pips, roughly, from entry. And look, that entry, guys, I'm not tooting my own horn here, okay? That's not what this is about. This is about just getting people into proper, you know what I mean, showing you what we're doing and to getting in good trades, okay? I did say the 200. This was drawn before the call, so you can go back and watch this, okay? You can go back and watch this. Set our stop loss above there to protect ourselves in case this reverses. Okay, I told you right there. Look at my stop loss, 1801.3. 1799 was the initial break. I told you guys, if it broke this area, it's falling. It's falling. This was on the buy that we had up here, guys, potentially, but it didn't even make it up there. Look, we continue to have huge selling pressure. Okay, coming down to pretty much this area right now. Okay, guys, so this is gangster here, guys. Okay, so what I'm looking for maybe now, I look, guys, and I don't have nothing on here. I don't have no RSI. Like, I don't have nothing. Okay, my partner Ron has a phenomenal RSI strategy that helps keep him into trends. Like, we're candlestick traders first and foremost. Okay, so understand this: we're candlestick traders. Okay, but again, to have something to really help you stay into a trend and get major breaks, he has it. He's been doing it every single night. So if you guys want to check him out too, make sure that we do opposite sessions, okay? So next week I'll be doing the Tokyo session, probably some London sessions, and he'll be doing market open, okay? And trust me when I say you guys are going to make some disgusting pips with him, and you're going to learn a lot too. So it's nice that you get both kind of people, right? And guys, I just want to go over one thing with you. Okay, I haven't done it yet. Since we made roughly 200 plus pips, just give me 2 minutes of your time. Go to stocksnipertrading.com, guys. Okay, just scroll down. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Okay, join our newsletter. I don't spam you. Me and Ron do not spam you. Okay, I'm not trying to sell you no stupid indicator, this or that. Nothing. What you're gonna get is daily content. Daily content. Look. Red folder news, trading FOMC. So this is legit content, guys. This is a double bottom breakout that we had happen on the US30, guys. And we break it down for you A, B, C, D, right? And we give you our YouTube live. Look, there I am right there, trading it, boom. Okay? So this is the kind of stuff that we send you. Okay? So you can see what we're doing. Follow us. Just join us along. But if you guys want to take it, you know, a little bit further, we do have a membership group too for $29.99. We have a private chat group that it blows up. We give 2-3 trade ideas per day depending on what we see. But if you guys like what you see there, guys, just go check us out. And then please, at the top of the group, at the chat, you'll see there's a blue box. That's our pinned message. Just click the free Telegram group, join in there, guys. If you don't want to join the membership yet, that's fine. Just see what we're about, guys. You know what I mean? Hopefully, eventually, you know, you can make that decision. But yeah, so that was my spiel, guys. Thanks for listening to that. Let's get back to some trading now. Okay. All right, my man Aaron. Okay, guys, if you're on, like, if you can see me, there's 79 people here. That's crazy. So mad props to you guys. Okay, my man Aaron. Okay, scalped 3K today. Okay, 3K. Sorry, 2,500. That'd be US. So that's roughly almost 3K. We're Canadian, guys. So huge shout out to him, man. It's guys, we're doing some good things. Okay, so just join along the ride. Show us some love. You know what I mean? Subscribe, share this channel if you want, and yeah, we'll go from there. And guys, I always say this, okay? If you're like, I see there's a dislike there, okay? If you dislike that, guys, message me. Message info at stocksnipertrading@gmail.com. Okay, let us know what we did wrong that you would maybe like to see different, right? We want to take constructive criticism to grow the channel. We're not here to just, be here and then dip. We're here to stay for a long time, okay? So give us some good feedback if you guys have any questions. Guys, I'm having a lot of questions here in the chat box, okay? So let me see what's going on here. Okay, Julian, he's back on. What's going on, man? Super patient now. Good. Yeah, I think there's a lot of accounts probably blown today too because they didn't understand, they didn't wait, they maybe took a buy, jumped the gun on that impulse head fake candle right there, and sold off. Okay. Hello, sir. Give me some strong signals, dude. You got to just make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, for real. When you're subscribed, when we go live, like I said, we'll get you into trades, guys. Like we traded this. You want a strong signal? Okay, we just gave you a strong signal, but if you maybe missed it, just join the channel. That signal ran 230 pips on gold. That's a $23 move. Okay, so if you guys want to see these signals, I don't like calling them that. I think that's a garbage name. If you want to see the trade ideas, guys, join the call. Okay, and join the FX group. Okay, can I buy gold right now? Guys, the gold buy I'm looking for is potentially right up here, okay? I'm giving it some room to breathe because if it starts to break up here, it breaks above this candle, which is this previous resistance zone at 1780, okay? When it gets up to here, guys, it's now creating a higher high, okay? So as you can see, it's creating higher, boom, high, boom, high, boom. I need it to come up here, come down and retest, and then confirmation coming up there. Do you see what I'm saying? I need it to switch into higher highs, not stay at higher lows or lower highs. You see what I'm saying? Higher highs are uptrend, lower highs are downtrend. Okay? So just remember that. Let's check out some of these other indices, guys. Everyone's going crazy. US30 is still popping, okay? It's looking good, guys. I told you, if it stays above here, look, they found some good support. They pushed it right back up, all right? So this is looking good. US30 can still get up here, guys, actually. There's a higher time frame. Let me just get rid of that garbage thing right there, okay? And if it breaks here, guys, it can come past the high and probably get to 35,196. Okay, that's what potentially we could look for on US30. Okay, but what we need to happen here, guys, is we need to have a, like I said, that break, that retest. Okay, that's a key, guys. And like some of you guys are like, well, what's a break and retest? Okay, well, you're like, okay, maybe it'll come up here, then it'll shoot back down here. Okay, then maybe it'll shoot back. Guys, I don't know the exact area or zone that it's going to break and retest. We can only go based on price action live. So if that's going to go to here, I need this to break here for a continuation. Do you see what I'm saying? So just be understanding of that. Okay. Let's see. NASDAQ melted. Oh, God, I want to see. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, guys, so I'm still looking for maybe something like this on NASDAQ with a nice little top loss here, guys. If you see what happened, what I drew, like, guys, that's why you got to be on the calls to understand. I said that this was a key area that if they put it in here, they're going to push it back up, and it did. You know, like, we're not making this up. So, like, if you guys don't believe anything, it's already recorded. So just go back in time and see it. Okay, I drew this box and I said that at 15,074 that if this thing holds support here, it's going to push back up, and it obviously did. Okay, so if you caught that bottom, you know what I mean, that was a nice scalp right there, you know. But I'm looking for the overall potential breakout if it's going to be an actual reversal here. That's why I'm giving it some room to breathe. I'm looking for maybe an entry right there. Okay, but I'm not jumping the gun. I don't ever want to jump the gun, guys. I don't want to buy an impulse. Like I said, I want to do the break, the retest, the confirmation. Guys, you guys are going to get so sick and tired of hearing me this, you're just going to call me the break and retest guy. You know what I mean? And that in bananas, right? Because that's all I like to say. But make sure you understand this. Yes, exactly, Sebastian. It's a demand zone, supply and demand. Guys, I don't always want to drop that lingo for you, but I know that, right? We call it support and resistance. It's a lot easier for you guys, but supply and demand zones are very key. We'll get into that with you guys, but for now, you know what I mean? Let's roll with support and resistance. Sebastian, amazing. Thank you for pointing that out, bro. I really appreciate that, okay? But let's get back to the gold, okay? Everyone likes gold for a second here. Gold is still falling, guys. Look at this. I told you if it's no confirmed buy, if it holds here, it's going to come down to here, and it did. This is disgusting, guys. Like, I don't know what's happening on gold. Well, I do. It's really selling off and not having a good day for the buyers, right? But you look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Woo! My next zone, guys. My next zone. Higher time frame support. Look at this. Look at this, guys. You want to, buddy, dude, you want some signals? Join the call at, you know what I mean? Join the free Telegram group and make sure you join our calls. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Holy, guys, this sell on NFP with didn't hit our stop loss because I just went over that. Guys, that thing is running, that ran 260 pips. That's a $26 move. Guys, this is crazy. This is crazy, guys. Like we can't make this up, right? So, guys, I have 53 likes. There's like 80 people watching. Can you get me to 60? You know what I mean? Guys, Just wait. It's 9 o'clock now, guys. 260 pips is just the beginning for you guys. Let's see market open, guys. I like trading market open. NFP was just a bonus. Guys, we could hit maybe 500 pips on this call. So if you guys want me to trade market open for you, try to show some love back to us. Okay? Hit us 60, get us 65, get us 100. You know what I mean? Get us trending, guys. The more we trend, the more we can do, the more we can do for you. Okay? So let's do this together. All right? If gold holds this break here, it's going to come down. It's going to test here, okay? Understand. Understand. If you miss this, guys, we're not chasing, okay? You got up a little late, you know what I mean? This is the world now. You know, you got to do your charting, guys. We had this sent to our group early this morning. This news is already pre-planned. Look at 8:30 news, guys. We don't even have this refreshed. Let's refresh this and see what actually happened. Look at all this, guys. All unemployment rate positive, guys. Look at this. Look at this. All that 6.2. That's a 0.2 increase, guys. That's phenomenal, right? You guys want to see what happened? I'll show you what happened, okay? With love here, okay? Look at gold sold off. Let's take a look at the US dollar. Let's see what happened there. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that big pop, guys. Huge. Bounced off. You know what I mean? Double bottom potential, then pushed up. Broke right there. As soon as it broke, it shot right up, guys. Look at that. Insanity. Okay, that's why gold is tanking. Look at this. I told you it's going to get to my next zone. If it does, you guys can, you know what I mean? Have a good weekend, you know? Look at this, guys. If it touches there, guys, that could be 300 pips. Let's see. We just hit 270 pips, okay? Right? Why can't we get 300? Why can't God give us 300 pips? You know what I mean? Or I'm not spiritual like that. I didn't mean to say that, but you know, if I believe in that, I believe that we should give this back, and I believe that He blesses us with pips. You know what I mean? This is the easy way to make potentially a lot of ROI if you understand how to trade. You know what I mean? So thank you guys. Like, sorry, I'm just kind of talking here, guys. Uh, Gold is bananas. Yeah, man, it is. DA, thank you, brother. Appreciate that great analysis. Keep believing. Thank you, man. We just want to spread this to you guys too, so understand. Like, that's why we're doing 3 sessions. My man Ron, like, if you guys turned on his session, he looks like a raccoon, man. The guy's a vampire. I don't think he's slept. You know what I mean? He's been away from his family the whole week. You guys maybe slept like an hour a day, right? Grinding these sessions for you guys, you know. So, and then we do this, right, guys? Just show us some love by hitting the like button. Maybe give us some a subscribe if you want. Guys, there's over 90 people watching here. This is actually crazy. I've never had this many people watching, so huge thanks to all you guys. You know what I mean? This is going to be crazy. Just wait until we get market open here, guys. Market open is actually going to be crazy here. Okay, so. Remember, guys, if this continues down here, it's going to hit 70,068. It's a higher time frame support, okay? Look at NASDAQ, guys. It's pushed back down, okay? So for the guys who took that NAS scalp, looking good, looking good. Here's your retest, guys. Okay, that's a bullish engulfing candlestick. Look for your retest. I told you they pushed right back down to that, like I said, that demand zone, like you're talking about, my man. See? So let's just wait and see, dude. Let's see if we can get that nice little push up here for that confirmation, maybe for a retest, for a buy. Okay, so let's go. Let's get this going, guys. I'm gonna ask you, guys. Okay, I have 90 people watching, guys. That's crazy. If you can get me to 70 likes, I'm definitely at like 920. I'm going to ask you what you want to trade, okay? I'm not going to trade gold, okay? I'm just going to, guys, listen, I'm not trading gold market open, okay? We just traded gold, you know what I mean? We did our thing with gold, okay? So if you're a gold trader, guys, we'll trade it right after. We'll trade it after market open. I've noticed that, trust me, there's not much movement on gold. If you've been trading with me, you'll agree with me, okay? We're either going to trade NASDAQ or we're going to trade the US30, okay? It's already charted for us. I'm going to start to chart it better now. This is NASDAQ right here, okay? What I'm noticing is we have a nice, like I said, demand zone right here, support, okay, forming for a potential push-up, okay? Here's a potential buy entry, which we're going to do, all right? So we'll wait and see here. If it starts to get down here, like I said, and we're into selling opportunities here, guys, we'll look for a sell continuation. And what I'll do for you is I'll start to draw another potential chart, okay? Just give me a second here. Okay. bear in mind with me, guys. Okay, you'll see right there, guys, the reason why I drew that is because it's resistance. Okay, so now they're pushing this into a kind of a higher box. Okay, so look, they pushed it up, found some resistance here. Okay, sold it off, guys. If they start to break this area down here, okay, that's where we can start to look for potential selling. Okay, down to this area right here. Okay, and then same with the buy, can look at getting back and touching the 200. All right. So let's just wait and see. If you want to raise your stop loss a little bit, you can. Okay, because we're going to get some erratic moves on market open for NASDAQ regardless. Okay, and like I said, it's only 9:06, guys, so this thing can still sell off. Okay, you never really want to enter in before market open. All right, simply because it's something that you just want to wait for. Simply, just like the NFP candle, guys. I told you here. Okay, I said wait on the first candle. Okay, wait on this first candle. Okay, to sell, okay, or to buy, whatever it was, and then we'll react. And like I said, if you were patient, guys, that's what I'm saying. So people who got upset that maybe they missed the first candle, what about the continuation, guys? The continuation hit 180 pips. Okay, I'm not sure if a lot of people maybe can hit 180 pips in their week. You know, we hit it in one 30-minute session. It was actually obviously 200 pips plus, but this is the signifier, okay, for the continuation. So this is something that you need to be aware of. Wait for the first candle, guys. Be patient with it, okay? Because what happens if this thing sold off and it pushed right back up? You got head faked out. I've seen that happen, okay? That's why we just wait. We be patient. Be patient, okay? NASDAQ could be forming some nice support here again, okay, at that nice support area, all right? So then we got to wait and see, okay? Look at US30, guys. I told you. Look at this. Look at this, okay? I had this drawn. All right, look. This is good, guys. Let's see if we can get a continuation here, okay? And then we're going to look for some potential other opportunities, trust me, with US30, okay? It's only 9:08, okay? So we're not looking to take buys or sells right now. We're just going to wait until like 9:30. We're just going to shoot the shit. We're going to talk. We're going to chill out, okay? I need to see what's going to happen here. All right, and I think that if it gets there, it's going to break to there, okay? So that might be a little high, all right, but we'll put this one, okay? So we're starting to get some sellers coming into the area, okay? They probably have their sell stops here ready to do it, you know what I mean? So what we're going to do, guys, is we're just going to start charting, okay? I need to go on the higher time frame for 1 second here. I have nothing above here, guys, so this is the pure resistance. This is the highest we can go. If anything, we're going to go to the next psychological number. 35,000, maybe 200, okay? Which I can draw that. That's on the hourly, okay? We'll see if it'll have much support on there, but like I said, we're pretty much near a good high, okay? See, yeah, pretty much there anyways. Okay, so if it gets up there, maybe look for some selling, right? If we get up there, all right? So what I'm going to look for now is, it's still a little early, but maybe some, oh, sorry guys, wrong one. Maybe looking for some sell opportunities around here, okay? You know what I mean? Having a nice area there, all right? Because market open, guys, it's going to do one of two things. It's going to push it to an all-time high, or it's going to sell it off, one of the two. Okay, so we're going to see what's going to happen in here. If it's going to push and sell into there, okay, that's what that could look like, and maybe get back down to this area right here, all right? Or what's going to happen is we're going to look like this. Oh, that was a sell. This is the buy. Sorry, guys. We're going to look like this, and we're going to find, and we're going to continue to break up bullish, okay, to maybe get into this higher area, all right? See what I mean? So if we can get even higher, guys, like it might be, that's the thing. We just had crazy NFP news. I don't know what's going to happen, all right? I don't know what's going to happen, okay? So what I'm looking to do now is just kind of move this, start to chart based on now we're going to trade, okay? You can't worry about what happened in the past. You can only worry about what's going to happen now moving forward, okay? So if you guys think it's going to go to all-time highs, you know what I mean? That's good for sure. I definitely think it can have a lot of opportunity to sell off, but let's just wait and see, guys. It's going to be crazy, guys. You guys understand like what we just did in terms of like hitting these pips? Like it's actually crazy. Like like on gold, I still, like, my mind is baffled, guys. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm going bananas here. Like, it's just crazy, guys. That's over like 250 pips. Okay, I'm gonna move my. Still gonna keep it there, guys. I'm still not willing to risk. I'm not willing to risk it, guys. Okay, I'm not willing to put you guys into any kind of bad trades that I don't think are gonna continue. Okay, you know what I mean? I need price to start getting up here. If you want to start scalping it, guys, that's you. But I need more of a confirmation for something up here, okay? I'm just not willing to do it. You know what I mean? I've learned to rather focus on quality trades over quantity. You're going to have quantity because you're scalping, right? This is 5-minute time frames, okay? So keep that understand. But again, guys, like, we want to get the best trades. I don't just want to say buy here, guys, because if we did, look, if I was just putting in these stupid charts right here, your head faked out and you're now hitting your stop loss. Like, I don't want that, okay? I want to start to break above these wicks right here, which is the confirmation. We could maybe fill then this candle, maybe come up to here for a little bit before maybe the sell-off, or it could start to fill up and start to push back up to this area right here, okay? We don't know. That's for gold, all right? But it's really starting to form maybe some buying power here. Not a lot, because there's still a lot of sellers, but let's just wait and see over the next little bit, guys. 11 hours. Thank you so much for subscribing, brother. Really appreciate it. Deterius, thank you so much, dude. Lane, thank you so much, brother. Karma, thank you so much, brother. Appreciate all these subscribers, guys. Like, this is crazy. Absolutely crazy, guys. If we can get 100 people watching, it's actually crazy. I have 99 people right now, 2 dislikes, 72 likes, guys. For all the dislikers, okay, for real, guys, I don't mind getting that stuff. Let me know what we're doing wrong, okay, guys. Let me know what we're doing wrong. Send us a message, guys. Send us a message. We're not here to, you know what I mean, just bombard you with spam. We actually want to take this seriously so we can make this one of the best trading channels, okay? So let's just wait and see here. Okay, look at NASDAQ kind of forming a little bit of an opportunity rate, kind of consolidating here, okay? So, guys, TMT, guys, thank you. Guys, this is crazy. 100 people watching, guys. Can I be honest with you? Guys, this is the first time I've had 100 people watching, okay? So, like, please, they just know that this is, I appreciate every single one of you guys taking your time out of your day. When Ron and I started this, guys, trust me, it was a long lot of sleepless nights. Then we're like, okay, let's just go YouTube, guys. Let's just go YouTube, okay? Then we go YouTube, guys. We hit 100 subscribers in 3 days, and now we're like we're trending. You know what I mean? Like, we're actually getting recommended, which we didn't think would happen. You know what I mean? We're just 2 guys just trying to trade. You know what I mean? And now it's like we're getting a lot of these followers and subscribers. It's just, it means a lot to us, and I don't know if you guys really understand that, okay? So just from the bottom of our hearts, guys, thank you very much for liking and subscribing and joining the Telegram groups and just supporting our business, okay? Because we really appreciate it, okay? So enough being a little bit sentimental there. Just the first 100 views was something that I wanted to achieve, and I know we're all gonna do it, right? So it's crazy, okay? Okay, guys, so with that being said, what we're looking at forming is the reason why I set my stop loss there, guys. This is the trap and gap. Okay, so keep in mind here, it's gonna maybe consolidate in this area right here. Okay, it's something that you know what I mean, could happen before making its next move down, or if it breaks up here, we're looking for a retest with the confirmation buy. Okay, so let's just wait and see how this is going to play out, guys. I don't have anything up here. It's going to break all-time highs. If that's the case, like, this is going to be a record-breaking call. So let's just wait and see here, guys, okay? Let's just wait and see here. Just checking my spreads, guys. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Oh, thoughts on DAX, man? I don't trade DAX, okay? So let's just wait and see. We can maybe start adding that in. You know what I mean? Here's the US dollar. Okay. Let's just, as you can see, guys, it got some heavy rejection here. Okay. So that could signify, you know what I mean, a lot of sellers there. But look at this market, it's very bullish, guys. Okay. That's what I'm saying. Right now, I'm not looking for anything right yet. Okay. I follow the DXY, and you know what I mean? But it's not something that I live and die by. Like, I know a lot of people, they like to like do correlations. Guys, we're strictly price action traders here, guys. Like, straight up. Like, I have my 200 on here. That's it, and then it's just charting support and resistance. So let's just wait and see, guys. Gold is still, like I said, it's nothing into a buy just yet. Okay. So when you guys are like saying like gold and stuff like that, I'm not trying to ignore you at all. It's just there's a lot of things going on. And gold hasn't made its move yet, guys. If it starts to break here, right? If it starts to break this area right here, okay, this support at 1770.93, if it starts to break there, it could fall some more, guys. It could really fall some more, okay? And if that's the case, guys, we might switch our buy to maybe a little bit lower than here, okay? So, but gold, guys, it's only 917. Okay, so I'm not really looking to trade gold through market open. Okay, like, if you're new to the call, it's not something that I generally do. Okay, I do like to trade the indices, the US30, and different things like that, guys. But look, I told you if gold breaks here, guys, it's going. So let's just wait and see. Or it could form, you know what I mean, a potential little double bottom here, which could maybe signify the potential uptrend. Boom. Here's the neckline break, and we'll see here. Okay. So if that's the case, guys, little neckline right around here. I don't know. It's very small, and there's a lot of bearish power here, but that could be a potential neckline for an opportunity to push to the upside. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to go on higher time frame again. Look, guys, like this is what we traded. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you right here. We caught that. There's 97 viewers, guys. We caught that bearish candle. Okay, in that sell. If you're new to the call, I just wanted to show you that. Because that candle right there is powerful. That's a powerful candle to show people. So, and look, guys, it's starting to break a little bit. You know what I mean? Has the full capabilities to get roughly down here. Okay, and that will be just a continuation. So if that's the case, guys, this is the next target right here. Okay. Right there, 17,065 area. Okay, if it starts to push up, guys, like I said, we can start looking for buying opportunities. I'm still gonna hold it there, guys. Like the only reason why is because it needs to break up and make higher highs. Okay, for continuation. I don't want to put you in trades that are, like I said before, gonna have a backfiring opportunity. I want more of a confirmation. Okay. Look at US, guys. Look at this, guys. I told you, listen, I told you guys, like, be patient with this. This is the retest, guys. It broke up, retest. Now look, it's continuing, guys. That's textbook right there on US30, okay? If it breaks above here, guys, like I said, this is the buying opportunity right there, right? You know what I mean? But wait until market open, guys. It's forming. It's 919, okay? Wait for an opportunity to come up here. You know, I'm telling you what's going to happen, okay? I'm not worried about what's going on down here, so I'm going to chart now this area. Okay, what's going to happen is this. The 930 candle is probably going to open up over here. You're going to see a huge shoot up, okay? If it holds here, guys, you might see a consolidation sideways movement for a continuation, okay? That's if it goes to the upside. If it goes to the downside, guys, listen to this. It's going to go down, okay? It maybe have a little bit of a consolidation, which could have a retest, okay? If not, it's just going to drop, okay? I know that looks like little frog legs, you know what I mean? But that's what could happen on market open. Okay, that's one potential way. And next is this. That's if it stays, guys. Sometimes what happens is they push it straight up, okay? And then the next play, they just dump it right down. Okay, do you understand? It's something that you just need to wait for, okay? So we're going to consolidate in this area right now, okay? Maybe for the next move on market open, all right? So let's just wait and see here. 84 likes, guys. That's huge. That's phenomenal, guys. That's incredible. Guys, 820. Guys, can I just tell you something? This morning we hit 800 subscribers. We already have 23 more, guys. If you're new to the channel, just hit like. Just hit the like and subscribe button. Before market open, guys, let me just kind of show you kind of what Stock Sniper trading is. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes, you know what I mean? You can go to stocksnipertrading.com. We do have a website here, okay? Just first thing I like to do, tell guys, is just scroll down to the bottom of the page, all right? Just hit the newsletter, okay? So what'll happen on the newsletter is we're not going to spam you guys. I don't do that. Okay, it's not something that I want to do. What we're going to send you is our blogs. Okay, so basically what this is red folder news, guys. When we traded gold the other day, this is one of the videos that I traded. Okay, look at it, guys. We caught over 300 pips on the gold buy. We had a push to the upside, which was the news ADP non-farm employment, which we traded, pushed it up into a bullish pennant, which had a continuation, right? So that trade roughly ran, I think, 130 pips. Then we caught the huge bearish sell-off here, okay? And we break this down for you folders here, ABCD chart breakdown here. This was a trade that I took on the gold, okay? Shows my commission right there, all right? And then we basically show you the actual video. There I am. Okay, so check that out, guys. That's the kind of stuff that we send you. And then if you want to join the VIP Sniper team, guys, we have a lot of members. It's growing fast, actually pretty crazy. It's $29.99, and it's for the month. You get some trade ideas. We have done 4 webinars this week alone that are uploaded to the website where you get to ask questions. We have a VIP group chat, so it's pretty bumping, guys. Okay, so. I'm going to get back to the charts now. You guys gave me your time. I really appreciate it, but we're going to get back to trading, guys, so I know not everyone wants to see that stuff. But this is our business, guys. We want to do this daily for the rest of our lives, and it's already happening because we're doing 3 sessions per week as well as trade ideas, webinars. So it's going to be a crazy business, guys, so we hope you're going to join and be a part of it, okay? So, guys, we have over 111 people watching right now. This is the most I've ever had, okay? We've hit record numbers in terms of likes too, and the growth of the account, right? So cheers to you guys. I'm drinking my coffee, okay? Let's have a good market open session. And here, guys, I need this for you, okay? The first 10 people that want to see US30 or NASDAQ being traded, you got to put it in the chat box, okay? The first 10 people, and I'm going to watch this chat blow up, okay? I'm going to chart it. Guys, I have a pen, a piece of paper here ready. I'm going to put NASDAQ and US30, okay? So tell me what you want to see me, okay? Let's go. Chat's looking good, guys. Looking good. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm charting. I'm starting to tally right now, okay? I have 1 NASDAQ. Okay, I have 1 US30. I have 2 US30s. Okay, I have a NASDAQ. Okay, so it's 2-2 right now. Okay, it's 2-2. I have a US30. I have a US30. I have a NASDAQ. I have a US30, so that's 5 for US30. I have a NASDAQ, that's 4 for NAS. Okay, I have 1 NAS, 1 US30, 5 for NAS, 6 for NAS, US30 6-6. Okay. Let me see what we got here. Okay, I have, okay, 1 NAS, 1 US30. Guys, I'm taking this serious for you guys. 2 US30, 1 NAS, 3 US30, 4 US30, 1 NAS, 5 US30, 4 NAS, NAS, NAS. Okay, guys. US30 actually won, okay? NASDAQ was right there, guys. It's crazy because a lot of times we have US30 winners, okay? But NASDAQ was right there. So, you know what I mean? Don't worry about it, guys. What I'll do is, because look at the continuation right here, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I told you if it broke out of there, guys, look at this box. Okay? It's going to test the high. Look at this. I told you this, guys. We're watching this. But look at this. Now it's selling off here, okay? Just don't enter in this trade. Don't chase, please, okay? I told you that was a consolidation trap. Okay, so now we're looking for maybe a next move to the upside, okay, which I don't know how far this is going to go up. Let me see, maybe till 300, okay? Psychological 300, 35,300, okay? That's a big push, guys, okay? I'm not saying it's going to get there, okay? So that's just me guesstimating, all right? This is key, guys, US30, okay? We have 5 minutes. Don't worry, man. If you can't, guys, if you can't trade US30, well, I'm going to switch to NASDAQ anyways. I'm going to go over it right now. Okay, guys, when I do this, don't freak out. Trust me, we got you. Like, trust me. Okay, just believe. Okay, NASDAQ break above here, guys. This is the break, 15,096. So if you don't want to watch US30 on my chart, or sorry, watch YouTube, but then have this on your phone, have NASDAQ, okay? Look at 15,096, okay, with a stop loss of 15,074, okay? Use a smaller stop loss, use some smaller lot sizes, okay, guys? And if it breaks, guys, listen, if it breaks, 15,074 is your sell, okay? 15,096 is your buy, all right? Use these. This is my trap and gap area right here, okay? This is my area. This is what I have right here, entry, stop loss, okay? And if it gets rejected, guys, if it pushes up, so I'm saying if it pushes up here and then sells off, okay, just wait for the first candle. Wait until we see what's going to happen here, okay? Wait for the momentum, all right? Is NAX a buy or sell? I don't know. I'm not. That's a great question, man. I want to find that out for myself too when market opens, guys. Okay, so that's the thing. We just have to wait until market opens. Okay, it does look like it's forming some good potential upward movement. Okay, so let's just wait and see now. Look at US30, guys, selling off. Let's see if it's going to push back in here. Okay. That buy is ambitious. Just remember that, okay? That's got to push. Guys, that buy is going to have a heavy push, okay? There's been a lot of selling momentum coming in here, okay? Let's see if it's going to push back down and consolidate for a little bit. All right, let's check out gold for 1 second. Look at gold, guys. Look at gold. It's still not even coming near the buying opportunity. Gold is a trend. Gold trends, guys, for a lot of people who get head faked out. That's why I said you just got to wait. Wait for gold. Wait for gold, okay? If gold starts to break above here, guys, like if gold starts to break above here, okay, maybe a small little entry. But what's going to happen is it's going to have some resistance at this area right here. And I'll draw this so you can see. It's going to have some resistance there if you're getting into any kind of buying opportunity, okay? So keep that in mind on gold. If it starts to break here, guys, if it starts to break here, look, I'll draw this for you too, just so you can understand. The buy is there, okay? Use the green as the buy. And then the sell continuation is down here with a stop loss of right here, okay? Similar trap and gap area for continuation. See, we have the buy entry right there, okay? And then we have the sell entry right there. All right, it's very similar. I'm going to get this one out of the way for a second here. So the entry would be roughly at 1777.25, all right, with a stop loss of roughly 17. Ooh, that's too much, guys. That's too much. I'm looking for maybe something down here then. Right there to right there, okay? And then same with the sell entry. Okay, guys, but we're approaching market open now. 1 minute left. Okay, keep those in mind, guys. Those are good opportunities for sell and buys, okay? That's a continuation. That's a pop-up, all right? That's on gold. Breaks above 1777. That's a stop loss, 1770, so use small lots, okay? If it breaks below, right there, that's the entry, 1770. 1775 is the break above, is the stop loss, okay? So let's go to US30, guys, all right? The dirty 30 is priming. It's priming for some sort of move here. Guys, write in the chat box if you think it's going to be bullish or bearish here. Let's get some feedback on you guys. Okay, I want to see what you guys think. We'll go back and forth, okay? So see how they push it right before market open, right back in that consolidation area? Trust me, guys, don't enter in on the first candle. Don't enter in on the first candle here, okay? Just be patient with this and wait. Okay, so they're pushing it in that box, guys. Let's wait and see. If you got your finger on the trigger, let's get ready to do something here, okay? Here we go, guys. 9:30. Okay, a little bit of push-pull, guys. Indecision right at market open. Let's see. Is it going for all-time highs, guys? Remember, guys, 35,200 is key resistance. Okay, keep that in mind. We're on a 5-minute time frame, guys. Right here it says that. Okay. Look at that, guys. Let's see the push. Wow. Let's see if it's going to get a continuation, guys. Looking good. Looking good. I don't have any charts up here, guys. I told you that before. Let's see, guys. Look at the US 30. The dirty. Okay, that's our entry, guys, right there. All right, look for potential it to come out here, retest, for it continue. If it continues, guys, if not, it's going to continue and drop. Okay, keep that in mind. Yes, guys, that was your entry right there. Okay, wait for the retest now. Okay, if you don't want to enter on this candle, just be patient. Okay, there's still 3 minutes left. If you want to wait for the retest, okay, you break up here, wait for the retest. If it continues, it holds, it'll continue. If not, guys, it's just going to sell off here. Okay, that's your impulse candle. All right, let's check out NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ, guys. There's the buy. Had it perfectly slated. Let's go. Let's get the push, guys. Let's get the push here. Okay, remember I told you that was a sell down there right at 15,074. 15,096 happened, pushed up. Let's see if we're going to get a continuation here, guys. Let's see if we're going to get a continuation. Okay, guys, if it starts to break above this area right here, look, we're getting some push down right there. Okay, that's where we're getting some push down. If it starts to break above here, guys, it's coming roughly right back up to the entry point at 15,124. If not, it's going to get rejected here and sell off, and then maybe come down and test the 150. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's why I said you never want to buy on the open candle. You want to wait and be patient with it. All right, be very patient with this. Okay, guys, if you like what you're seeing too, just hit the like and subscribe button. Trust me, we do this daily. I'll show you gold now. Look at gold, did nothing, guys. For the new guys joining on the call, we hit 250 plus pips on the NFP gold sell-off here, okay? Back to US 30. Look at US 30, guys, holding some nice support on the buy, okay? This is looking good. They're pushing it to all-time highs, guys. This is a record call. We just destroyed gold, and now we're on the US 30 buy, roughly for 50 pips, okay? If you caught it at the entry. If you maybe caught it somewhere up here with the break at 35,194, you got a nice little push up to the upside here, okay? Okay, guys, so now it's getting some resistance here. Okay, keep this in mind. Where did they push it to? Let's wait and see. Let's put that there. 35,239. So now they need to push it past this now resistance for a continuation. Okay, they need to push it past. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is disgusting. This is huge bullish momentum here, guys. Huge bullish momentum. Okay, huge. Look at this. They're pushing it past now. Okay. Guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a boner candle, guys. Like, if you guys like candles, like, look at this. This is our trapping gap, guys. Ron and I do this every single day. Every single day. Okay? What's happening with gold, guys? What's going on with gold? What do you guys want? What's going on with gold? Nothing, guys. I told you, because nothing happens with gold on market open. Just believe me, guys. Believe, guys. Just we're gonna trade some indices here, okay? Look at this. Look at this, guys. NASDAQ, like we put you in there. I told you if it gets pushed past here, it's going to continue, okay? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Look at NASDAQ. Whoo! Bananas. This is bananas. Guys, look at this. Look at it. Look at it go, guys. Look at this thing. I told you if it breaks above there, it's going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this. Look at this. It's going, guys. I told you it's going to come there. I told you it right there. There we go, guys. Let's go. I told you it's going to come right to the entry, guys. Go back on the call and watch it. US 30, guys, not doing too much. Got pushed down. Okay, it's going to now test this resistance area again. Let's wait and see. NASDAQ is the way right now. NASDAQ getting rejected here, okay? At the entry, guys. I told you, right at the entry. Now we're selling off, okay? Let's wait and see here, okay? I'm erasing this buy, or that stupid sell. Didn't happen, okay? Now what I'm looking to do, guys, I'm looking to just wait, okay? I want to see how this next candle is going to form. If it's still, usually it's followed by a secondary bullish candle, okay? If not, it's going to sell off, guys. Let's just wait and see. If it's going to break below here, okay, might look for an entry down here, guys. We'll wait and see here, okay? That's a key area right there, okay? That's if it breaks there. Okay, there might be a short little pullback. Don't enter in any sells yet, guys. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Wait, guys. This is still a lot of bullish momentum. This could be just head fake, okay? This could be just head fake forming. Look at this, guys. So now they're pushing it up. We have some spinning top candles now pushing into the bullish momentum right now, okay? So just trust me when I say, guys, just be patient with this, all right? Currencies, yeah, we do currencies for sure. We haven't been doing them as of late, but a lot of guys are doing their... Look at gold, guys. Gold is priming up for something huge. I'm telling you right now. US30 selling off here, okay? Let's wait and see. Guys, I'm not ignoring you on the chat box. I promise you. I can't do everything here. I'm trying to as much as I possibly can, okay? So if if US30 starts to break here, I'm going to actually put that back, okay? Because we might use that as a selling opportunity, and I might use this as there, okay? So guys, the sell is still valid down here, okay? So if US30 comes in this consolidation, it's going to sell. Remember how I told you guys the impulse candle has a lot to do with head fakes? You know what I mean? I'll go back to gold where I put this, okay? Look at this, guys, okay? Look at this, what I say. If you guys were following me, smaller lot sizes during news, okay? Do not over leverage erratic behavior at market open, okay? So you got to understand that, guys, there's a lot of erratic behavior that happens during these market open sessions. You need to be careful with this, okay? Look at NASDAQ, guys. It's still pushing. Look at the buy, guys. Look at this. We caught it perfectly, guys. This is charted for you. This is bananas. This is bananas. Look at this, guys. Look at this. NASDAQ is pushing, guys. I hope everyone banked. I know a lot of our snipers did. I got some guy... Holy shit. A 1,000. More, 2,000. 2,400. Another 1,000 there. Holy crap, guys. A lot of our members, guys, are demolishing another 2,300. Holy shit. Huge, guys. Huge, 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 huge. Okay. Let's go, guys. There we go. Okay, so now what you're looking for, guys, the sell opportunity could break down there. So let's just wait and see what's going to happen. Paris, what's going on, brother? 150% win opportunity with SI opportunity, CFD short. What's that? $92, guys. Yo, this is insane, guys. Can you guys get me to like 100 likes? Like, that'll be like a milestone for, like, guys, for real. Can you get me to 100 likes? It's only 92. If you're still new to the channel, guys, just hit the like and subscribe button. You know what I mean? It's that'd mean a lot to us, guys. Okay, look at gold. It's still forming that sell. Okay, still a lot of selling pressure, but just be patient with it. Be patient, guys. There's US30. There's the retest. Okay, there's your retest, guys. Let's see if it's going to hold there, if it's going to continue to sink down. Okay, US30. All right, so guys, this is good. All right, look, broke above. Okay, sold off there, opened there, pushed up, now wick down. Okay, new candle opened, trying to push back up. Okay, break and retest. All right, do you understand that? That's a break and retest confirmation candle right there. So if you were right there, guys, and you started to see this open bullish, you pushed it up. This wick now broke above this previous wick right here. Guys, that's a lot of buying power coming into this market. But now remember, guys, the sellers are still up here. Did we get 100 likes, guys? Oh my goodness. Let's see. $102 likes, 110 people watching, guys. Wow, guys, that's crazy. Guys, shout out to every single person on this call. You know what I mean? Like you can see that what we're doing is legitimate. This is no joke. We're going candle by candle analysis, guys. I'm laughing right now because if you guys knew how me and Ron started this, guys, you guys would be like, "Oh my god." You know, a lot of sleepless nights, guys. Like look at this. Look at this. Retest candle confirmation live, guys. This is a retest confirmation live, okay? Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's going to if it breaks here, guys, we're going to see some nice push. If it gets rejected here, guys, you can just wait and see, okay? US 30, US 30. That is US 30. I promise you, this is US 30. Let me show you NASDAQ. Let's see if NASDAQ sold off here, guys. Okay, look at this. So now, guys, that's that sell opportunity. Okay, we just missed it, but now it's selling in there. Okay, so let's just wait and see if it's really going to sell off or if it's actually just going to be a head fake. Don't enter in on this right now. Wait for it to get a little bit lower, confirm, and for a continuation. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm still pumped up about US 30. Look at this thing, guys. This thing it just made higher highs, guys. So this thing could go higher, guys. This is record breaking, guys. This is when you're looking back, you're gonna be like, I traded with that guy on YouTube when watched the Dow Jones hit record highs in 2021, and the guy looked like Santa Claus with his huge beard. You know what I mean? You guys are gonna remember this, guys. Like this is history right now. This is crazy, guys, and you guys are showing mad love. 100 likes, 100 subscribers, guys. This is disgusting. And we're just getting warmed up here, guys. Our goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. You know what I mean? When we have that, we're going to be giving a free 1-year membership away, and we have some swag as well. So if you guys want to help us grow, you know what I mean? That 1,000 sub will get it. But also, you guys can see the more we grow, the more we're pumped to do this. Okay? Yes, guys. I will check gold. Sorry, just yell at me, guys, because I don't shut up. Okay? Just tell me. Okay? Look at this. Okay, so gold, guys, it tried to push back down, and it's finding some bottom here, okay? Let me explain this to you. We're now finding some key buyers coming into the market right around here, okay? If it holds here, guys, it's going to come and maybe pop back up. If it starts to sell, continue, we're going to get that drop, okay? We're going to get that huge drop. Okay, so we just got to wait and see. Sorry, guys. I'm pumped. Good way to end a Friday. Good way to end a Friday, guys. I hope you guys banked on that. Seriously, I want everyone to bank. Okay, guys. So that was a head fake a little bit. Now they're pushing it back up. Okay. So let's wait and see here. Okay. That's why I said don't enter on this trade just yet. Don't. That's why I hope you listened to me before I said that, because like I said, there's still a lot of buying power here. Could be just a little head fake retest of the breakout, you know what I mean? Unless this is seriously going to fall, which in case we'll be ready for it, okay? But just always wait, guys. Wait for a candle to close below support and for a continuation, okay? Do I think gold will go up? I don't know, guys. I actually don't know. It's still falling, guys, as you can see. So we just got to follow what the market gives us. You know what I mean, brother? Like I want gold to go up because I want to get into a nice reversal buy, but unfortunately it might not give it to us. You know what I mean? It might come back down here, just consolidate and then continue, right, guys? Because we're pretty much 10 a.m. is the next news. Well, I'll stay. Yeah, we're gonna stay till 10, guys. We're gonna stay till 10. Right, so there's a little bit more news coming up here. Then there's a big move will happen at 3, guys. 3, guys. I'm gonna give you a secret here, okay, guys. This is why you sign on to Stock Sniper Trading and nothing else. 359, guys. Gold will have a move today. 359, okay, either bullish or bearish. So keep that in mind, okay. There's your tip. Just watch at 359. It's either gonna usually has a sell off, but it might be a buy because of everything, okay. Yeah, man, RSI is definitely probably oversold. You can see that I don't have it on there. I love RSI. My partner Ron has a gangster strategy that really helps, stay into trades, guys. I more like to trade like candlesticks like this, and I have my 200 there for support and resistance. I'm looking for potential buying opportunities when it's above the 200. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be gangster, guys, when you guys can start really seeing how we'll start eventually adding on like Bollinger Bands and stuff like that. This is gonna be a non-ending stream, right? So we definitely want you to see that, especially if you're wanting to learn those specific indicators, okay? But guys, to really dig deep in that, you know what I mean, you just got to join the Sniper team, okay? Which is stocksnipertrading.com. I think I showed that to you guys. That's where we really dive in with our members and kind of show them kind of what's going on and stuff like that, okay? So Guys, I'm flipping this a little bit. Okay, if it starts to keep getting if it keeps getting rejected here, guys, I might look for a sell. It's made a huge sell opportunity here, but like I said, we are at an all-time high. Okay, I'm not saying that this is a sell right now. I'm saying that it has a lot of opportunity to. Okay, so let's just be mindful and see where this could actually fruition if it's going to happen. Okay, if not, guys, the next candle might open up bullish. Okay, but you got to remember, guys, I need it to start breaking above here. This is where I need it to start breaking above to have a bullish continuation, right? So, and I think a lot of people knowing that, you know what I mean. Just have some patience here, guys. Let's see. Gold is dumping. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Gold is dumping. Yeah, there you go, guys. It just hit our take profit. So that was the entry, guys. That was the entry right there. Like I set it up before the call or before the news, 1770. So you would have, if you caught that sell off, guys, that was roughly for, you know what I mean. Holy shit. 1 second. I'll do my. I always use the tape measure just to show you guys. Okay. So from the entry right there, guys, to drop down, that's a $5 move. You know what I mean? That's actually 50 pips right there. So yeah, that was a crazy move, and it's going to continue to drop, guys. Look at gold. See what I'm saying? Dropping right into the profit area, right? Look at this. What I have left, my take profit was right here, and it's probably going to hit it, guys. You know what I mean? I have to start moving everything over here just so I can start getting my charts efficiently for 10 a.m. Okay, and guys, you got to give me like 2 minutes. I got to go take a pee, guys. I got so much adrenaline, man. I've drank so much coffee. I've literally drank like almost a liter of coffee doing this, guys. I'm so pumped. Like I'm sweating like a beast right now. All for you guys, man. All for the pips. All for the pips, guys. Gladys Knight in the pips. Trust me when I say that. That's what we want. If you ain't pippin', you trippin'. Okay? Okay, so there's the gold buys, guys. Okay? Let's look at NASDAQ for one quick second here. Yeah, guys, look, NASDAQ hit it. Nice, nice. That hit our trade. Guys, I can't do every chart at once. I'm going to do multiple screens, probably starting next week or the week after. But, guys, look, we hit that sell. You know what I mean? That was the opportunity. I told you if it broke there, right, it's going to come down. It actually came all the way down for like 26 pips, but now it's pushing back up, okay? It's pushing back up because it's coming to this roughly buy area here, okay? Guys, we were looking for a buy, but then we flipped script, and that was our sell opportunity. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And guys, like I said, if I don't answer your question, guys, it's nothing personal. There's so many people on the call asking me that I just want to make sure that I try to get back to everyone, but I also want to make sure these charts are good. So yeah, guys, my main man Ron, he's answering us Stock Sniper Trading now, guys. So if you have any questions, just let us know, guys. If you have questions about NAS or anything like that, you got to remember that we actually have a sniper group that this chat is going off right now, asking about NAS buy or sells, or you know what I mean, US30 buys or sells, and we're answering this live. We're telling them psychological numbers. We're telling them pretty much everything, guys. So just let me know. But guys, I'm so sorry. I hope I don't lose many people here. But guys, I really got to go to the washroom. I'm going to leave US 30 on here, okay, for now. Or you know what? I'll leave gold on there since gold is the dirtiest. Gold is still going to sell, okay? I'm going to leave gold on here for now, right? If gold sells off, guys, the next psychological number that it will come to, maybe 61. 60 area, okay? We'll go 60 if it's going to drop all the way down there, all right? Okay, so guys, remember, this is a key area, though. They bounced the cost twice. They sold it off, so they might push it back up and then reverse, okay? So just keep that in mind. Guys, I will be back in two minutes. Give me a couple minutes. Don't leave the channel, guys. Trust me, I'll be right back, okay? Just give me a little bit of a second here, okay? I'll be back. Thanks. Guys, what up, what up, what up? I'm back, okay? Thank you for your patience. I think US30 had a huge sell-off, guys. Okay, I'm sorry for not having that, but I had a nice little sell-off into our take profit, guys. Look at that, guys. Perfect executed sell. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. Let's see if this is going to continue. They want to push it back into this box right here, okay, guys? So let's wait and see. Okay. Guys, we have some 10 a.m. news too. Guys, if you want to see US30 or NASDAQ, okay, write it in the chat box, okay? The first 5 people will hit it, okay? Let's go. Nice, brother. Sebastian, good scalp, bro. Guys, if you what do you want to see? Let's see. Let's see. Oh my God, new FTO. You're up 200, bro. Good for you, man. Sebastian, bro. Congratulations, dude. That's huge. Okay, guys, this chat box is bumping again. My homies, everyone, guys, it's going bananas here. Bananas, bananas. Okay. Here we go. 1 US30. 2 US30. Now, guys, you know what? Okay. For all of the people who wanted to trade NASDAQ, I'm going to take a look at NASDAQ for 1 second here, okay? That's gold, okay? So it's still in that sell, okay? Gold is still nothing for a buy just yet, all right? Let's look at NAS. Look at NASDAQ finding some support there, okay? So let's wait and see, all right? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I have 10 US30 people, okay? But US30 or no bananas, yes, guys. Okay, let's just trade US30 actually won again. So, and we're in our sell here. So this is looking pretty nice already. Okay. Thank you, Crazy Family Videos. That's awesome, guys. Much appreciated for signing in and subscribing. Okay, guys. So look, it's gonna push in here for the next move. Okay. So guys, if this starts to really sell, you know what I mean. It's got to break this area, 35,158. Okay. And it's starting to, guys. Let's see if it's going to fall here. Okay. Sebastian, bro, I'm proud of you, dude. That's good, man. Okay. Up 4%, dude. That's a good percent, guys. So Sebastian, if you're in that sell, bro, look to scale out, scale some profits, okay, man? You know what I mean? If you're in at like a standard, maybe scale out 75% of that, okay, and then let the rest run. Because if this thing falls, you know what I mean, you could catch that runner, right? Guys, we don't really trade Bitcoin like right now, okay, but it's something we can do eventually, all right? So just keep that in mind as well, guys. If gold is starting to really find a bottom here, I'm looking for maybe potential buy opportunity here with a nice tight stop loss. Okay, that's a big trade, guys. So just keep that in mind. Don't over leverage. Same rules apply. Okay, don't over leverage. Erratic behavior at market open doesn't really apply here because market open already passed. Okay, but keep that in mind, guys. If gold starts to sell off some more, it's just going to drop even more. Okay, but that's the buy entry. I'm not looking for anything just yet. I'm waiting patiently. Okay, patience pays off. Okay. No problem, brother. Thank you for joining in, man. We do live like this all sessions, man. Okay. Same with Nasdaq, looking like it's potentially selling off here. Okay. So this is the trade if it's going to look to come down here. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. So we have 59 seconds left. Let's wait and see what's going on with Nasdaq. All right. US30, same thing. Okay. Starting to push back up here. Let's wait and see here. BB King finally hit over 400, bro. That's huge, man. Congrats, dude. That's amazing, man. You like the patience motto, dude? For real, it's the key to trading, man. Like patience pays off, right? That's the thing. Okay, guys, news is going to drop in like 25 seconds here. Let's see what's going to happen to US30. I don't know if it's going to have a huge movement here, but see how they pushed it back? They pushed it right back in this area, okay? Eight seconds, guys. Then we're rolling with it. Okay. Finding some support here, guys. There we go. Let's see if it's actually going to break here, guys. We want to see a break. If not, they're just going to hold it in here, okay? Yes. Okay, let's check out NASDAQ now, okay? Still bearish. Still bearish, guys. Looking good. It's looking good, okay? If it starts to break here, guys, it can come down. See, it's already happened previously, okay? It's already happened, all right? So let's wait and see, guys, okay? Check out gold. Gold is still priming for something. If not, guys, gold might be done for the day, okay? It might be done until a little later this afternoon, all right? Let's check out US30. Still selling off here, okay? Okay, guys, this is big. This is big. If it breaks here, guys, this is going to fall, okay? If it holds here, it's going to look good. Okay, 2 minutes and 45 seconds left. That's on this candle, okay? Looking for the break here, guys. If you guys think it's going to break, let me know. Started to break, make lower highs, lower lows. Let's see if it's going to continue, okay? NASDAQ is still selling off here. It's forming. Guys, okay, so what I'm looking for on NASDAQ is I'm seeing I see a potential opportunity of a lifetime to bank here, okay? If I'm noticing something, I don't know if you guys are seeing it too, okay? So I see a downward movement, upward movement, downward movement. If this thing starts to come up here, guys, okay, that's a double bottom. Okay, if that thing breaks above here, the NASDAQ can shoot up. But again, August is notorious for sell-off months. So if that breaks down, guys, it's going to break down, okay? But there are potential formations happening. It might not happen now, but it could happen in a little bit, okay? So just keep that in mind, guys. If they hold it here, you know, it could be having a lot of potential for that neckline break. The neckline, guys, is roughly right here, okay? Right in this area. Okay, breaks above there, it shoots right up. Okay, so keep that in mind. So you can take your profits on NASDAQ, you know what I mean, even on US30. I think it maybe is reversing a little bit. Yep, so it's forming a little bit of an opportunity there. Let's just wait and see what happens. It could be a retest. So look to take some of your profits, guys. You see how they push it back down, but this area is very key, the 35,108 area. So let's just be patient with this. Like I said, if you're in profit, guys, look to take your profit, okay? Because it might reverse. Definitely come to break even. And if that's the case, guys, that would have been just like a quick scalp, okay? But what we might be looking for is more of a buying opportunity if it comes in. We just have to wait for these couple candles to close to see what actually happens, okay? Guys, 40 subscribers in one day. To everyone who helped grow this channel so far, I definitely really appreciate it, guys. It's huge. I appreciate the all the love. I know Ron does too. Okay, you can see gold is still kind of just it's fizzing off, fizzling off, guys. But from the initial selling tree on NFP, guys, we got in up here, guys. On NFP, 8:30 open till now. Okay, for the new guys, 106 viewers. This trade has hit 365 pips. 365 pips on the bearish sell-off on gold NFP. Okay, guys, that's 65 pips more than when we caught the previous non-farm trade. Okay, so like I said, we caught that one. Give me 1 second here. I'll show you that right here. Right here, guys. Red folder gives us 300 pips on gold. That was 300 pips. We're now actually up 65 pips more than that call alone. Okay, so now look for gold maybe to start to find a little bit of a bottom here. Okay, maybe potentially reverse, but we'll wait and see. There's still a lot of sellers in the area. Okay, NASDAQ sold right off, guys. Look at this. It's selling off. Okay, still forming, looking good. Okay, US30 is, I think it went bullish here. Yep, it's starting to form some bullish power. So that's what I mean, guys. I said look to take your profit. This could I wouldn't really want to enter in now. Okay, if you didn't do, it's on you. It's pretty much on you. The entry was down here out of the consolidation box. Okay, so for the break. Okay, so let's just wait and see if it's going to push or if it's actually going to pull. Okay. Okay, so see how it's retesting the entry point, guys, 35,200. Psychological number area, but it might want to test up here again, okay? So if that's the case, guys, this trade is done, okay? I'm going to look to clone this, okay? Then we're going to move this over here, okay? I might look to get into a potential buy area right up here, okay? Maybe use this as my stop loss a little wider because it's a riskier trade. If not, or sorry, maybe a little tighter stop loss since it's a riskier trade, okay? But if this thing is going bullish here, guys, you know what I mean? You can enter in a small little lot size, see what's going to happen, maybe get to that scalp right there. Is it worth it with your actual commission, or sorry, your spread and stuff like that? That's up to you, okay? But if you're looking for this trade, guys, if you think it's going to go bullish here, you know what I mean? That would be 53 pips compared, and the stop loss is roughly 18 pips, so 18 to 53, okay? So let's see if it's actually going to scalp and go a little bit higher, all right? It's a risky trade, guys. I'm telling you right now. And what it could be forming is a double top. So see what I mean? Bullish movement here, making some rejection here, finding some support here. If this thing touches up here in this area, guys, right here, look for it to come back down. Okay, neckline, and if it breaks here, guys, it could fall back down. Okay, but again, like I said, the US30 is broke all-time highs. It still wants to maybe hang around there for a little bit, but like I said, risky trade. Take it only if you want to. I didn't take it. I'm not going to lie to you, but it's just a potential idea that I would see. And yeah, guys, a lot of people, they just want to see these types of setups. Okay, so there we gold, guys. Let's see what's going to happen with gold now. Gold is priming up for something nice, guys. Huge sell-off here. We'll wait and see. Eterius, thank you, buddy. Thank you for that comment, dude. That's awesome, man. NASDAQ rising again. Good call. Let's see. Let's go check out NASDAQ, guys. Thank you for telling me this. Let's go. There we go, guys. Okay, so look. I told you, look to take your profits on NASDAQ, okay? Look to take your profits on NASDAQ. It's probably going to come there. Okay, guys, I'm going to have to do something a little different here now, okay? Move this. Guys, I'm sorry about all the charting, okay? But if NASDAQ breaks, guys, this is what I'm looking for up here, okay? To maybe get to an all-time high, see if it'll push up, okay? This is the neckline break right here, okay? I'm sorry, it's a lot of lines here, guys, but as you can see, each line plays an important role into what we're doing, okay? Okay, guys, so your entry here would be at this area right here. Okay, so 15,126.58. Okay, that would be your entry on the neckline breakout. Okay, US30. Okay, guys, good. There we go. That's why I told you I didn't want to really look to take that trade, guys. That's good. Okay, no confirmation. Okay, guys, so look, it still sells. Okay, guys, how we would have had a confirmation up here on that wick is what would have happened is it would have pushed up. Okay, it would have see that wick right there. Okay, it would have retested the entry and then held. All right, you know what I mean. So let's see what's going to happen. Um, yeah, I know some of the indices are just a little higher, man, but that's what I'm saying. For like scalping opportunities, like we're looking for the overall trend. Like you see, guys, how we're holding this buy here. That's what we're looking for, guys. So if you want, um, like exact like things, you know what I mean. You can use your MetaTrader 4 account. Okay, I know TradingView is a little different. Okay, it's got a little bit higher. We were told this before, but you know what I mean. A lot of people we like TradingView simply for the charting and the presentation. But guys, indices can be off by like a little bit, not too much. You know what I mean. But that might affect your entry by a smidgen, right? But that's what I'm saying. We're looking for the overall trends and stuff like that, and the breakups and the breakdowns. Okay, so good point, man. I have been told that before, and I just wanted to let you guys know that you can trade with us if you're using MetaTrader 4 too. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, guys, I'm going to stay till 10:30. Okay, and then we're going to call it a day. For our members, guys, like I said, the new webinar 4 will be uploaded to the chat today, or sorry, to the website today. Webinar 5 will be uploaded on the weekend. Okay. Um, we'll probably do some continuation trades, right? We're going to do some charting of some pairs for you guys sent to the chat, so just keep that in mind. And guys, on the weekend, we might do a little live crypto session, so we'll just wait and see here. We don't really focus on that too much, but it's always good to see where this is going. Okay. Look at gold, guys. Okay, gold is setting up for a potential nice play here. Okay. There's Nasdaq, did not get above there. Okay, so look, it's right at entry now. Okay, right at our entry. And now we're getting rejected here, guys. Okay, so let's see if it's going to push up. All right. Guys, when you're trading 1 minute, just be careful, okay? 1 minute time frame is not something that you know what I mean, you want to always trade. It's something that, you know what I mean, can really head fake you out, okay? Market open, you can catch them, but like I said, you want to be more of a confirmation trader, okay? That makes sense to you guys. Guys, if you want to focus on gold, just write in the chat box. I think someone just sent us, they left a runner here. I would wait on gold. It's up to you guys. If you want to buy, it's up to you. But I think it has a lot of rejection area up here. So let's just wait and see. Holy shit! There's Sebastian's buddy. Sebastian, I just got your runner, bro. Guys, Sebastian, the guy's on the call. He caught the US sell, guys. I'm just going to show it in on my webcam here. Okay, you can see on my phone. He just sent it to our Instagram. He did a standard on US30 with a proper stop loss, $579, guys. This is someone who's just joining on the call, sending us some profit tickets. So Sebastian, huge shout out to you, dude. Mad, mad, mad. Okay. Gold, gold, gold. Okay, guys. Yes, man. We're watching gold, guys. We have some gold addicts here. Ron and I have been trading gold for a long time, guys. Gold is like, you know what I mean? And you hear Lord of the Rings, like my precious. Like gold is our precious, guys. It's precious metals here, okay? So it's crazy. Okay, guys, so no buy on gold just yet, guys. Be patient with gold, okay? Still a lot of selling power here. All right, there we go, guys. Got rejected, okay? That's why, guys, for real, I want to explain this to you, okay? Because we only have so much time for the rest of the week. Guys, if you bought when I said potential W pattern, you would be down now, okay? Do you see what I'm saying? Traders fail because they're trigger happy. That's a good term that you can use, okay? If you're just starting out, you're really trigger happy, okay? So what I mean by that is you're really always you're buying on every single candle here, guys. We don't want to do that, okay? Like I'm telling you right now. Sorry, I'm just gonna put on Nasdaq for 1 second here, guys. We don't want to do that. We want to make sure that we can look for the best possible trades, okay? On a lower time frame, guys, so these can have possible great rewards. 20-30 pips, guys, that's phenomenal. You know what I mean? Like, that's phenomenal, guys. Like, if you saw peers getting rejected and you caught that rejection candle there to there, guys, that's 25 pips. Guys, people wait hours for like 20 pips, guys. Do you understand what we're doing here? We caught the sell, we caught the buy, we're catching the sell. You know what I mean? We have a buy double bottom breakup up here patiently waiting for us. You know what I mean, guys? Like, we're playing chess here. This is not checkers. You know what I mean? We gotta be try to be ahead of the market, see these patterns forming, and if they don't fruition, just move on. Move on. Don't worry about it. We'll find another trade. You know what I mean? If you miss the NFP 300 pip gold sell off, don't worry about it, guys. Don't worry. We'll find another trade. You know what I mean? We'll find another trade. US30, guys. Okay, so starting to form into that sell too. The buy confirmation was not confirmed. It had a little bit of a head fake candle there. But again, like I said, we're patient traders, and this is how it pays off. Everyone wants to see gold do something, guys. They're waiting for that prime movement. That's why I'm not doing it, guys. You see, guys, listen to me. You can look for quantity, as many quantity trades as you want, but if they're not quality, your account is gonna show. You see what I'm saying? You're gonna have a lot of L's. You're not gonna have a good PN. You know what I mean? A good percent return, and it's gonna affect your trading, guys. My win rate, it varies, man. Okay, so like I've done the FTMO challenges where I've had like a 60 to 90% win rate. It depends on the week, right? And it was really well. I personally stopped doing that challenge, and I just do a little bit of my own trading now. But you know, I'm anywhere between 70, maybe 80%. But again, man, I do have losses. Like I'm telling you right now, I told you guys on the call. I'll say it again, guys. Why NFP is so important to me is because it blew my first account. Okay, there's 100 people now hearing this, guys. I don't care. It was a bullish, huge bullish engulfing candlestick, very similar to this, but it was, you know what I mean. This is bearish, and I saw this. I got bid on the dead cat bounce. You know what I mean? I got sold. It went bullish. I saw something like that candle there, and then boom, it hammered for another 100 pip candle, guys. I blew like 2,500 US within like a matter of like I think 5 minutes. My account was blown because I only traded with like a 25 to 3K account, and I would take out pretty much every week. Small amounts, guys. I'm not an over leveraged trader. I do not go crazy lot sizes, guys. I am telling you this. I don't over leverage. I don't go crazy standards. I don't do that, okay? I'm more looking for, you know what I mean, my 1.0s, my 0.75s, my 0.5s. I'm okay with having maybe $100, maybe $150, $200 a day because I compound that because I do other things in life too, guys. This is not like I'm a full-time trader, but I also have another thing that I do in my life, and you know what I mean. It's good for it treats me well. So that's the way you kind of got to look at trading. If you're full-time trading, guys, and you're always over leveraging, you know, it's going to come back to bite you in the ass eventually. Okay, so that's just real talk. I wanted to tell you my personal experience why NFP was really good to me, really bad to me, and why I really try to preach the importance of proper risk management and practice it during your trading, guys. Like if you didn't feel comfortable trading today, you could have just traded your demo. look at how NFP trades, you know what I mean, see how it moves, because you can see, guys, if you caught some trading on your demo, if you got the scalps, guys, like, you know what I mean, you're doing well. You know, it gives you a little bit of confidence. Maybe fund your account, small amounts, work on pennies, then we'll go to dollars and work at that, right? So it's all a building process, all right? So enough with me just kind of talking. Gold is still having not too much movement here. It is finding some support roughly at 1762.8 if it's, and it still has a lot of bearish momentum coming into the market. Okay, so let's just wait and see what's going to happen here. Nasdaq, guys, it is finding some support here. Okay, so it is a little bit more it's more choppy now. Okay, but look, guys, this area right here, it's key. You know what I mean? We drew this beforehand. We had a couple guys catch the bullish candles here. If they would have held it, they would have had the nice continuation. But we know that there's a lot of buyers here. Okay, so when we sold off, guys, you know what I mean? Nice demand zone. You know what I mean? Buyers are having their buy stops ready or their buy limits, and then they're buying it, right, trying to ride it back up. Okay, but there's still a lot of selling power here. You know what I mean? When NFP dropped, there's a lot of selling and then a continuation. So it's been a wild ride for Nasdaq. Okay, let's go to US30 for a second here. Okay, US30 found that you know what I mean, that another zone. Like I said, some good support, and it started push. It started to push up, guys. Okay, so wait and see what's going to happen with US30. We do have the buy opportunity up here. Okay, we're going to wait until confirmation fruitions before anything kind of happens there. Okay, so what I mean by that is, if you're new to the call, guys, I want to see something like this come up here. It's probably going to touch there, and then it might sink back down. Okay, so let's just wait and see what's actually going to happen. Don't enter in just yet, guys. We got to actually get into that area before. Don't always enter in before. Wait until we get into that support area and we're actually holding it. Okay. So, guys, I'm going to stay for like another 10 more minutes. All right, then I got to get going. Don't worry, guys. On Sunday night, we're going to do a market forecast. Okay, so we're going to outlook the whole week. My partner Ron does that. And if we got time tomorrow, guys, we might do a little bit of crypto trading depending on how everything's going. But regardless, next week, guys, back to normal. So if you're interested in trading with us full time, join up. Make sure you look at the pinned message, guys, at the top of the chat box. Join our free Telegram group, guys. This thing is growing exponentially fast. 183. We only had like almost 100 yesterday, so, or maybe a little bit more. Added almost 50, 60 subs in there. So, guys, we're growing fast, okay? For real. And for our VIPs, guys, you know what I mean? The first 100 members are grandfathered in, okay? And you know what I mean? Eventually, if we get a lot of this, you know what I mean? Because our goal is to do like free trading for sure, but we also want to do a lot of private mentorship to people who are really trying to take this seriously, okay? Last thing I want to show you guys is one of the red folder news events, guys. Always make sure to look for red folders. Okay, always make sure to look for red folders when you're trading. It's something that's very important. This is just from the blog that we drew up. But guys, forexfactory.com is going to be your lifesaver in terms of these events, because if you don't know about news and you're trading in the opposite trend, you know what I mean. It's something that can be really detrimental to your account. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Okay, so now we have US30, guys. Gold is still, nah, man. Gold, I think, is done for the day. You might get a little more continuation, but I think maybe that later on in the afternoon you might have another push. Sharon, thank you so much for subscribing. Prakish, thank you so much for subscribing. Tom, thank you so much for subscribing, guys. That's huge, guys. We really appreciate the subs. You know what I mean? I think we've added 50. Yeah, one more, guys, and we've added 50 subscribers to today alone. So as you can tell, guys, we're growing fast. We're fast. Am I bullish or bearish on gold? Great question, guys. I'm actually nothing right now. I'm just patiently waiting. If gold breaks above 1770.5 with a hold, okay, I'm going to look for more buying opportunities here. If it holds below there, guys, it might get rejected at 1765 and start to sell off some more. Okay, so we made our big moves, guys. A lot of time gold will just consolidate after this. So it's been that's pretty much how it goes, guys. So okay, guys, there's our US30 again, trying to test up there. You know, if it breaks, guys, like I said, we'll get the scalp. Is it worth it? It's up to you, depending on it. But this demand zone right here between 35,180 and 35,158 has been absolutely crucial for the US30. Okay, for the Dow Jones. All right. And then obviously our NASDAQ is still kind of hovering around in that sell. Okay, guys, so we just always remember I wouldn't enter in any trades right now. If you're looking for anything, it might be a buy, simply because, you know what I mean, there's a lot of wicks down here. The only selling opportunity on NASDAQ that I'm looking for is if it starts to break down here. If it starts to break and then it retests and then a confirmation down to this next support zone here. But for right now, guys, I'm not looking for anything. For guys, if you want to take trading seriously, understand this, guys. There's a neckline breakout potentially happening at 15,126 to push it bullish. Okay, so if that's a huge bullish way, then that's going to be a nice little breakout. Probably test the high again. Okay, so I'm looking for more of a confirmed buy at there. All right, if you're in the sell here, guys, I would look to get out. Because it might be turning around into a buy, which could turn into that double bottom break on NASDAQ. Okay, so let's just wait and see here. 5 more minutes, guys. Is there any questions? Guys? Like, as you can tell, we slayed this call, guys. Like, this is. Let's look at the look at the DXY. Okay, look at the DXY. Remember, I told you I don't really care about it. Look at this. Boom, boom. Huge bullish momentum. Gold sold off huge. That's why nothing's really happening. The DXY the high was at 92,800, psychological number. Okay, got rejected there. It's funny how they use those psychological numbers when trading, right? Okay, US30 we have here. All right. I'm waiting for US30, guys. I'm not looking for anything right now. Guys, if anything's going to happen to US30, it might come back up and test up here. Okay, or it's just going to hold here and then tank. I wish I could foresee the market for you guys, like I think a lot of people do, but you know what I mean. It's just we got the key with trading is, guys, is just it's having some patience, right? Because I don't know if this thing is going to go bullish or bearish until the next candle opens, right? That's when you become a real trader, when you start to really understand price action. You're not relying on these bot indicators or anything like that. So, but yeah, guys. Okay, so one last thing before I do this, guys. Okay, if you're new to the call, okay, there's 100 people on here. You know what I mean? www.stocksnipertrading.com is our website. Okay, for real. You can scroll down to the bottom. Okay, it's a little about me and Ron right there. Okay, some little bit of testimonials, our subscriptions and stuff like that. But join our newsletter, guys. Like I said, I send out a daily email to you guys. I don't spam you. I'm not selling you any indicator, this or that. You know what I mean? If you want to join what we have that I'll show you in a second, that's up to you. If not, guys, just join, because you know what I mean? You get good information here. Like I was telling you, double bottom breakout, which we're looking at on NASDAQ right now, potentially happening, right? So on our YouTube live call, I broke it down for you. ABCDs wrote out in good charts, the W pattern right here in the yellow with the breakout, okay? Now we break it down for you, ABCD, and I provide you with a live call. There I am right there. So I show you kind of how it happened live, okay? And if you're interested, guys, like I said, just you know what I mean, head over to the membership section, join for $29.99. It's peanuts, like $1 a day. We had guys bank all today. They probably paid for their year membership like today, so it's huge. But like I said, guys, the key thing is, if you're not too familiar with, where you don't want to do anything like that, just join the newsletter, guys. We'll send you the blogs daily, and we will not spam you. So just going back to US30 for a second here quickly before I end this call, guys, we're getting some heavy rejection area at 35,200. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, 35,200. Okay, if it starts to sell off here, guys, look for it to come back in this area right here. If not, then look for the continuation of the buy here. Okay. If I do trading tomorrow, what time would it be? Probably in the afternoon sometime. Okay, but just like and subscribe to the channel. You know what I mean? It's something that you'll get notified when we go live. Okay, so that's kind of how we've been doing it here. Okay, so but guys, for the gold buy, okay, I'm looking at 1768.84 for the continuation upwards. Okay, if not, guys, it's just going to maybe consolidate, just hide away for a little bit until the next move, because it is Friday. Remember that. All right, and then NASDAQ, our last play here. Okay, NASDAQ is potentially forming that double bottom break, but we'll wait and see. There's a lot of rejection area at 15,105. Okay, for the possible breakdown. But guys, like I said, if NASDAQ does happen the way potentially it could happen, have a nice little bottom here. We could walk up to the neckline here. See how there's a W on the chart now. Maybe wait for a little bit of a break up. retest the neckline for a continuation to the upwards trending possible target. Okay, so let's just see if it's going to happen like that. If not, guys, then it might just get up the neckline and then sell off here. Okay, so yeah, guys, so with that being said, is there any other questions, guys? Because it's 10:30. Guys, I'm just going to go over the pips we got in this call just so you guys can really understand this. Okay, like my goal was 500. Okay, I know it sounds stupid, but like it's no joke. Okay, so we had an entry right here. Okay, that ran, I'll say 350 pips. Okay, on gold, the sell entry NFP news, 350 pips. Okay, 350 pips sell off on NFP. All right, this is also what we had going on with NFP2. Okay, sell off. Okay, I'll go there. I'll see 50, so that's 400. Guys, this candle alone, look, we caught this trade here. Like we caught this on the buy. 400, 425. Okay, and we took the sell here. All right, that maybe depending on when you got 450 pips. Gold and Nasdaq alone. Okay, guys, the dirty 30. Like we were in good profits on the dirty 30, so we're roughly at 400. Okay, if you took the US 30 right up to there, guys, we took the US 30 right up to there. You got it? That's like maybe 75 pips. I'm not even going to count this sell because we did catch in the sell. So guys, that's roughly almost 500 pips on this call. Okay, like that's I'm not lying to you. Okay, if you're joining on the call now, go back and watch. Go back and watch the video. Okay, I didn't change anything. Okay, I didn't do anything like that. I'm charting three different. I'm charting a commodity, and then I'm charting two indices which have big moves. Okay, so if you guys are wondering what we're doing, you know what I mean, check us out next week at Market Open. We'll do Tokyo session and London session. Okay, like and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna probably maybe do some crypto trading tomorrow, and Sunday night forecast, guys, we're gonna have an outlook on the week, and that's where we're gonna do a lot of our pairs. Okay, so let's just wait and see. No, I told everyone to get out of the US 30 sell right on these candles right here because I knew they were starting to push up as soon as they got rejected out of this area right here, okay? Out of the 35,158, all right? So if you're still in the sells, guys, like I said, maybe look to take profit. You don't want to hold over the weekend. But same with gold, guys. Gold is just consolidating. Guys, for our members, we'll send this out to you guys. So just stay tuned for that. And then for NASDAQ, it's potentially forming what we think it's forming. But Sniper, guys, I'll update you. And yeah, guys, if there's no more questions, how do you get VIP access, brother? Just head over to stocksnipertrading.com, okay? Just head to the membership section and then just join up right there. Okay, it's 29 bucks a month. It pretty much pays for itself on one of our calls. Okay, so thank you so much for joining, guys. If there's any other questions, we have Instagram, Facebook. You know what I mean. You can email us at stocksnipertrading@gmail.com. And yeah, guys, we'll check you out next week. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. It was a 500 pip call, and hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Okay, God bless all of you for real. Thank you so much.